Today we are going to do something very interesting. It's called paper towel magic trick, and it's really magic. First thing you need is water, and here we have some paper towels and some funny and interesting drawings inside. So should we try the first one?
Really?
Okay, wait, Sophie. There you go.
Come on.
Wow, cool. Okay. Wow. So cool, right? It's magic. What do you think, guys? It's raining! We have a cloud and rain and sun. Now mommy is going to try. Okay, Sophie wants to do it. Next one. What is it? Fish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fishes. Next thing. Let's see. Wow, it's a tree. This is really entertaining for kids. Okay, let's take it out. And this one is really interesting. What do you think? What is this? Oh, so cool.
Nice.
Let's see. Put it in the water.
Yeah.
On the other side, like this. Yeah, like that. Wow, those are eggs. Pink, blue, yellow, and red. Here is blue, cloud. Here is sun and a grass.
It's green.
Green, yeah.
Oh,
what is it? It's a rocket. Shh! Flying to the moon! Woo! Wow! It's a helicopter! Wow! Can you guys guess what this is? Yes! It's a bee and flower! Yes! Wow, good job, Sophie! Woo! Now we will see what it is! Put it in the water. It's a pig! Peppa Pig! Yes, that's a Peppa Pig! Next one. This is something that every princess loves. Princess. Okay, let's see. Wait, like. Wow, it's a castle, a pink castle. Yes, those are for princess. Princess house. So cute. Maybe Rapunzel lives there. No.
I'm a princess.
Princess? Okay, it's a princess house. A castle. Here is more! Ta-da! It's a unicorn! Wow, so cool. He's really nice. Ta-da! Get inside. Wow! It has to do with Christmas. Na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na. Na 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 na. Wow, it's a bear! Wow! All right, and the last one. Ta-da!
I think.
Yeah, ice cream. You think it's ice cream? Let's see. Yes! Wow, ice cream. Yummy, yummy.
Ice cream.
Alright guys, now we are going to show you how you can make your own paper towel magic trick. Okay, the first thing you need is water. Sophia loves water. So the next thing you need is a paper towel. You can use whatever paper towel you want. Here is it.
And then you need some markers. Yeah!
Whoa, yeah. You need a permanent one, and those are washable ones. So the washable ones can be colorful, and the permanent one needs to be black, of course. We take a paper towel. Yes, Sophie, you are going to do it. There you go. You can write whatever you want. Okay, the next one is going to be for Mommy. Put your paper towel like this.
Come on!
And drop a heart here. I'm going to draw a heart.
Really?
And then you draw another one.
It's your own.
Like this. On the first towel. And then we are going to use a color red.
Nice!
Like this. And here I'm going to write I love you.
Yes! Come on!
Like this, you see? This is the first. And now I'm going to color it in a color blue.
What?
Okay. Like this.
That's lila.
Lila purple. Yes, right. And it's supposed to look like this. So now we are going to put it in the water and let's see what happens.
What?
Wow! I love you! This is so cool, right?
Unseren.
Sophie okay. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, now Sophie's going to put her inside.
What's the matter with you?
Whoa! What is it, Sophie?
Come on!
Yeah.
What is it? Flowers? Oh! Sophia made flowers. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. And make sure to make your own paper towel magic trick. So see you next time. Bye!